Dear students, so we are back in our second tutorial. And in this tutorial we are going to start designing or creating our page. So this beautiful page. So in order to tell to the browser what kind of version of HTML we're using, we have to put doc type, so here above, and then so now the browser knows what type of HTML we're using. So remember, everything when we code, everything, so it is separated in three parts. So we have here the head till here. So like you see in the head we have only the title. Then from here it's the body. So in the body we have put the navigation list, titles, articles, so everything enters in the body. So and then we have the footer. So like you see here, so we have now doc type, and here we have to put, so first we are going to tell to the browser what language we are going to use. So this we can show like typing HTML lang, and then we put en, it's for English. So now we are ready to make our site in three parts. So like we said, so everything enters in HTML tags. So everything, the head, the body, the navigation leads, so everything. So here we have to put now the head. So we have to write head and we have to close head. Like we said, everything we open, we need to close. So in the head, we are going to put only the title. So the title we can name my first website using HTML and CSS. So now we have to close the title, right? Because we said everything we open, we need to close. So now you see that we have created, so we have put it in doc type, then the language of the browser, and then we have put a title. So now we have to create the body. So the body, in the body we will put, so everything in the body. So body, we need to close the body. So like you see, so everything goes here in the body. So in the navigation list, so everything goes here. So in the body here we are going to put a div. So div, it helps us, example, to design the page. So in divs we use only classes and we use IDs. So this helps us and to design example or page. So we have put a div here and we will close the div. So in this div here we are going to put stuff. Like example here we have to create the h1, and to this h1 we are going to give an ID. Example, the ID that we're going to give this, it's header. So the header, it will show. So in the header then we are going to create a link. So links we create by using ref. So ref, it's for link. So we are going to make the title as a link. So then we are going to give a title. So like we said, so title will be like title will be colored design, and then we put home here. So we will close the title and then we will show the title in the browser color design. From this, so now we need to close the h1 tag, you see. So after we have created our title and we have put a div, so now we need to create a navigation list. So we create list by typing nav. So this nav, it's just like navigation. So we will put an UL, it means unordered list. So we will write and we will give it an ID. So in order to design with CSS, we need to give this ID. So we'll name it menu. So now we have to close the UL and then we are going to create a list. So we type li, and then so the list must be as links, because if you want to forward or to redirect to another page, it's better so if we put links. So we put a ref, and then so we are not going to put a link, so we leave like that. I will write so étape number 1 or numéro 1, and then we will close the list, and we are going to close also the link, the list and the link. So I will copy to be easier. So I will copy to be easier, and so now I will put like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it means that we have 5 lists in our browser. So after we have created our navigation list, now we have to check the browser. So you see we have created the title and the navigation list. So let's launch it in Chrome and see. So you see we have started. So now we have the navigation list and we have the title. So just check. So here we are going to refresh once again. So you see we have the navigation list and color design like a title. So it means that everything works perfectly. So after we have created the navigation list, we have to make another div. So remember, we can put uncountable numbers of divs in our page. So it doesn't matter how many divs you put on your page. So it's unlimited. So we're going to name this div like container2. So we are going to put in the main container. So you see it's in the main container. And then, so we have to name container2. After then, we're going to create an HT2. So it means a heading 2. So we're going to write like articles. So in this page, we're going example, you see, let's refresh once again. You see we have articles. We can take also a paragraph, so you just can go to this web page html.ipsop.com. So we're going to copy this paragraph and we are going to put in our website. So it's a bit longer, but we will leave like that for now. So you see we have the paragraph, and now so the navigation list shouldn't be here, so it should be here above the div. So above the container2. Now let's check once again. So we have articles. We are going to check once again in the browser and see where we are. So let's check once again. We're going to refresh, and you see we have the articles, and now we have also the paragraph. So we need also to create a little footer. So we need to create lags, like we say in this language. So we have mentioned at the beginning that we have the head, the body, and the footer. So we have the foot, and here we're going to put just like a paragraph and name it like footer. So designed by me, I will put my name, so just like a paragraph, you see. So now everything works perfectly. So in the next lecture we're going to design step by step our page.